So sometimes you find yourself in a situation where a customer's interested in a vehicle, but they can't get to the dealership because they might be, I don't know, in like Yuma, Arizona or something like that. But thanks to the interwebs, they were able to locate this fine 2019 Tacoma TRD off-road in Cavalry blue. Well, what do you do in a situation like that? You make a video, you send it to them so they can see exactly what they're inquiring about. So here we go. Again, 2019 TRD off-road. Looks like the suspension is stock. Bilstein shocks. Previous owner did add the roof rack crossbars. I'd have gone with the Predator tube steps as well. Low mileage, Toyota certified used, hard tonneau cover. When you lock the tailgate, you can't open the tonneau. And everything stays nice and secure in the back. Of course, being a TRD, you get power supply in the back as well. You see the parking sensors. Power rear sliding window. This is the premium package, which gives you the heated leather seats, JBL audio, and the sunroof. 18,319 miles on this one. Now there's your Qi wireless charging, which I'm going to have to use for parking sonar, blind spot monitors, tools on temperature control, home link on the rear view mirror. Again, it is a TRD off-road, so you've got the terrain controls as well, and the locking rear differential. Very, very clean. Nice find. Again, stock V4S. 3.5 liter V6. You drop the cold air intake in there. TRD air filter.